Hey everybody, this is my black cat. The suit is actually made by a company called Very Cool, and they named her Catwoman. Now I did use a TB League body and gave her a different head sculpt, because the original head sculpt was it wasn't that very good looking, so I switched this to something that's more attractive to me. And there's her feet. Now she actually has feet in here, and these are actual boots. And this is kind of like a synthetic leather, but the boots are actual pleather. So, or I guess the suit was made by a synthetic fabric, if that makes any sense. The boots will degrade over time, but it could be an easy fix. All you need to do is just go to eBay, get a pair of boots, and put fur. Should be fine. Now the suit is actually very durable. So if you plan to get this costume set, it'll last your manhandling of it. Now the mask is actually held on via like a strap, but it kind of looked kind of ugly. So what I did, I just put some sticky tack on there. It also didn't fit correctly, so I just cut off the little strings. Now since she has a large breast, I can't zip it up all the way, but this is how I remember Black Cat. You know, she's very voluptuous, and it's perfect. Now she does come with several different hands, but none of them actually have claws. So it's just the standard gloved hands. And this is a whip that she comes with. Too bad it doesn't have a claw at the end. Now there is a wire in there, but it doesn't really hold its shape very well. Alright, well, that's my black cat. If you have any questions or comments, let me know below, and thanks for checking out my video. Have a good one.